Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see deleted Telegram messages on any phone using a simple and safe method. We will be using Direct Chat app from the Play Store to recover deleted chats without root and without touching your Telegram backup. So let's jump straight into the steps. Open up a Play Store and search Direct Chat. Select the Direct Chat heads and bubbles. Select the install option. After installation done, select to open it. Now you just need to give it the necessary permissions. Overlay permission, turn it on. Select direct chat. Allow display over other apps, turn it on. And then go back. Enable notification, turn on. Select direct chat and allow notification access, turn it on and select allow and go back. Select get started option. Select this right arrow option. Select here applications. Select the dismiss option. Select dismiss and turn off every option except the telegram and then go back and select test chat head. After the icon is visible, you can close this application and now open the telegram and use it normally. Now if someone sends a message and deletes it, just open direct chat and you will see everything that was removed, text, emojis and even some media previews. That's it. Your deleted Telegram chats are now fully visible, and that's how you can see deleted Telegram messages on any phone using the Direct Chat app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more Telegram tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.